Hello, I'm Robert Shanks, founder of Spine Plus Clinics in Chigwell, Woodford and Hornchurch. So are you suffering from a niggling pain or injury that's stopping you living life to the full? Perhaps that pain or injury just won't go away and keeps coming back despite you having seen other therapists or specialists. And you're starting to worry that it's never going to get better. Or perhaps you're simply suffering from a bit of stress and tension and need some maintenance work, either before or after a sporting event, and just want to book in for some deep tissue treatment and a loosen up. But if you are suffering from something more chronic, we specialise in helping people with persistent pain and injuries, be that back pain, trapped nerves, sports injuries, tension headaches, or simply stiff and aching joints and muscles, and getting them back to full fitness and feeling like they're best again. We do this through 3 simple steps. Step 1 is an accurate assessment, which sometimes, where appropriate, may include arranging things like MRI scans and ultrasound scans. We then give you an action plan for how best to achieve your results, be that through treatment and services with us or via one of the carefully selected specialists that we work with. Step 2 invariably consists of exceptional hands-on treatment in combination with the very latest treatment technologies such as laser, shockwave or IDD spinal decompression therapy. When it comes to the hands-on part of treatment, though, we're really proud of our reputation in the Chigwell, Woodford and Hornchurch areas and beyond for providing exceptional deep tissue treatments that really target those knotted areas of deep tension without the need for you to be relying on painkilling medication, injections or surgery. And third, and most importantly, is rehab and recovery, helping you regain your strength, fitness and resilience and getting you back to your sport and your hobby, be that back on the football pitch or simply back walking with the grandchildren again, without worrying about reoccurrence or pain of niggling injury. So if that sounds like the sort of thing that might be helpful, it will be worth exploring our website further, especially our services tab, our patient story section, and our many Google reviews. You can simply give the clinic a call if you have any questions and to find out whether we're suitable for you. You can request to download an information pack on the services we provide, and you can also book online at spineplus.online.